guys, thank you so much for joining me again. I am going to do the shelf that I mentioned that I was going to do for you. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you will like this video. And this video is sponsored by Burlap Fabric. So I did a video with 2 other DIYs and I wanted to do the third one for you. It is going to be an adorable shelf. So I want to make 2 of them. What you're going to need is any fabric of your choice, but like I said, we're using the burlap fabric. You're gonna need foam board as well. What I did, I went ahead and cover my foam board all the way around. I wanted the back to have coverage as well because it's going to be a shelf. So you will need 2 pieces of foam board. It's up to you what size you want. You can go larger or you can go smaller. You will need fabric to cover the foam board and you will need twine. Now I shared with you guys that I got a few items from the Burlap Fabric Company, and so this is part of that. And it is a rope that I had not seen before, a black and white twine rope, and I think it's cute, so it will go perfect with this project. You will need your glue gun, your glue sticks, you'll need scissors to cut your fabric, you'll need a razor to cut your foam board, and of course I use a pen and ruler just to get a measurement. I went ahead and cut out my rope that I wanted to use on this DIY. So the first thing you want to do is lay your glue down. Be generous. And lay your rope on top. I'm gonna go ahead, let this dry. Add the glued on my rope to the back. And now I want to share with you the goal for this shelf is to make sure that the back is shorter than the front. And so what we are looking for is to make sure that when you hang it on the wall, it will definitely flush against the wall. And in order to do that, the front has to be longer than the back, okay? That is a key. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some glue to my rope so I can connect my back. And now I am going to do the same for the front. It's going to be up about 2 inches higher. So let's go ahead and connect that. That should be good. I'm going to go ahead and do the same with both of them. Just so that they can adhere to each other. So once they are connected, you're gonna go ahead where your back is short, gonna take that and you're going to begin to tug on it a bit, and we're gonna loop it around. Okay, so once that's dry and you've got your twine, you're going to go ahead and take this twine and you have to create a loop that will hold your shelf in place. So you're going to go ahead and lay some glue down. Take your twine and continue over the top. Take the other twine, lay it on the glue, and take it all the way around like we did before. Now I must tell you, I was in Bells, and I'm always in Bells. If you ever check out my Tuesday morning hauls, you'll see that I'm always in Bells. I was in Bells and I saw these shelves and I thought I could create that. That's pretty simple and adorable. So once I got these products, I thought this would be absolutely perfect to create with this material. So that's what I did. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead now. So the key is to make sure your back is shorter than your front. So when you hang it onto the wall, you have a balance. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it on the wall, put some decor on it, and let you get a view. Okay guys, I hope you like the way that the shelves turned out. I think they're quick, easy, inexpensive, and adorable. All right, if you like the way that these look, I hope that you will give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, how you like the way that these little shelves turned out. Okay, I will see you on my next DIY